Hey guys, FPS Weapons here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make an EMP generator. For the housing of the EMP generator we'll be using this plastic box, and if you want to buy everything the links will be in the description. Next I bought a momentary switch and this small red LED to indicate when the generator is on. Now we need to drill holes to accompany these. So now they are both glued in place. The power for the EMP generator will come from this rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The main component is this high voltage converter, which takes the battery power and turns it into an extremely high voltage. This is the basic diagram for the EMP generator. So we have the battery, which runs the switch obviously, and then to the high voltage converter, and that then runs to a spark gap, which is basically a gap in the wires where the high voltage converters will make a little spark jump from one side to the other, and that runs to then the coil, which I'll explain in a second, and back to the high voltage converter and back to the battery. Now I have everything wired up except for the coil. So for the coil we'll be using some enameled copper magnetic wire, which is what makes the electromagnetic pulse. And now we have to wrap this inside the box. Then I also made a circular coil on the outside and zip tied it together. So now we have our two ends. We need to use a lighter or some sandpaper to just get off the enamel coating. Now we can attach each end of the copper wire to the high voltage converter. As for the spark gap I was talking about before, this is what it looks like. So I just put this piece of plastic over it to insulate it and to make sure no other wires can take that spark. So now we're finished, and by simply pressing the button you create an electromagnetic pulse which messes with small electronics, and in the demonstrations you'll see it even manages to turn off my phone. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to drop a like, really helps out the channel, and subscribe if you're new. See you next time guys.